Keep me a shooter, but ain't talking camera. These bitches so thirsty, gon' handle my family. Ballin' hard like I play for Indiana. I think that's the reason these niggas can't stand us. They think I'm an outlaw and rock a bandana. I'm a whole lot of jewels, but I ain't saying. Yeah, I'm unboxing my headphones, my Beats headphones. Well, I already unboxed them because I'm late. But yeah, solo phone. I thought these had an other cord. They go to my iPhone 13, but these go to like to the new ones. So. They comfortable as hell though. Oh yeah, these comfortable. Okay, I don't know. These go to like. I don't know why I got these two things on it. I'm cool. Don't know why I use these no more, do they? With the two corners. I don't know why they came with that. Let's see. I know I'm gonna need the charger though. Yeah. These some Type C chargers. I guess they changing everything up to the Type C chargers. I wonder what percentage it on. So put these aside here. I'm only gonna probably use these for the gym. I might take these to work with me. I don't know. I only bought them for the gym though. So. I think about every day I need them, but oh, it's good to have some new shit. I guess new stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna put those back in the thing right here. What's this QR code? Oh, it must be like the instructions or something. It's crazy, they don't come in the box anymore, they come in something like this. And I don't even know how to work these bad boys. Let's see how you work them. They always give you some little stickies. Don't know what that's for. At least the coverage and all that now. Okay, so we got the on button at the bottom. See the other one? I think my other ones had that too, but I don't know. Let me see how these sound though. I don't even know what percent they on. They probably dead. My phone damn near about to die, so I know these probably even. Okay, connect. They probably low just like my phone. Try both these up. These so cool, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, these on 60%. And my phone is on like 20%. Oh man, these must sound good.